Okay, Igor, cue the lightning! They're alive! Alive!
Oh? Huh? Huh?
No, wait. Even better, they're blocks! Blocks! So there's no reason to worry about your friends. It seems we can always rebuild them. Besides, Orin has never looked better. If she's not careful, she's gonna wake up the dead. Or maybe that was the idea. Well, you've certainly gotten Clucker's attention. Let's just hope he's not too mad. Well, either way, he's seeing red. Oaxis seems about the same. Let's find Brud a new bucket. And I. Speaking of eyes, young He's searching for something. Superman's got nothing on her X-ray vision. She's on the prowl for blocks. But what does she want them for exactly? Simple. She wants her very own mini-me.
Hey!
And just in time, the block squid game can commence. As can the process of elimination. Wow, Mother May I has never been this intense before. Okay, she's turned around. Feet don't fail us now. Ooh, Shin Sonic. Now that's what I call a smile. These new blocks are so hot, they're smoking. Now we can make our very own Shin Sonic. Do you think we've got enough teeth there? And what's a hedgehog without his spikes? Not to mention those famous red sneakers. Why don't we introduce you to our other hedgehog friends? Look, there's even a few other Sonics. You're one of those. Careful, I hear Echidna's a little gamey. You know, these things usually have a plug on the bottom. This little piggy's got everyone seeing green. Still, it's important to keep your finances secure. If they want more money, they're gonna have to earn it. And remember, 2 halves make a whole. But it's still important to bridge everything together. Why don't we invite everyone to take a closer look? Okay, everybody, time to head up the stairs. Seems simple enough. Just cross the bridge. Never jump or fall to conclusions. Well, they say that pride goes before a fall. And apparently, so does greed. Is walking around the squares an option? I guess that's against the rules. I guess it's all just a game of chance. See? You can win! Aw, does someone need a push? You can run, but you can't hide. Didn't I tell you? But seriously, he's not looking so good. I mean, he's practically in pieces. But it's nothing that our doctor can't fix. She also minored in jigsaw puzzles. If only she wasn't so squeamish.
Ooh.
Well, it's up to us. Can we zoom in? Ah, thank you. Oh, what is he made of? Snipped snails and puppy dog tails? With a few extra worms or two. Or 4. Either way, it's time to get swabbing. In the mood for ribs? How about some liver? But we can't forget the heart. Ooh, this will make a very sweet heart. Okay, we need to squeeze things inside. I think it needs to shrink to fit. That works. Time for our next game. Roll the dice, Young-hee. It looks like we found our new game. We just need to set things up. You know the drill. Get the blocks. But we should really speed things up. Now everyone, to your stations. Hold on tight. It's time for tug of war. Okay, pull. Time to put teamwork to the test. Of course, you might just end up losing as a team too. 3 kittens lost their mittens, and then a giant beetle attacks. Wait, that's not how the rhyme goes. This should take care of you. And they say roaches are tough. Now, in the basket you go. Next, we better clear out all this trash. Ooh, a block! You know what that means. Time to get building. We'll make a nice, safe place for all the kitty cats. Of course, we need room for accessories. There should be room for at least 3. I guess we could make an extension. These will be great for all the nature cats out there. And don't forget to throw in a fish. Now this place is the cat's pajamas. Maybe we should make a place for each cat. So we should really start clearing things up. Don't worry, everything should fit together. After all, this place is made of blocks. Hey, it's the exercise room, and fixing it up was a workout. Okay, it's time for the kitties to see their new home. And look, you even get your very own people. Some of them even come with fish. Either way, let the purring commence. Wow, free garbage! It's Doughy the Dough Man! Wait, it looks like some kind of game. Match each hole with the same colored ball. There's a place for each ball, and a ball for each place. Let's see what you've won! Ooh, more blocks! Just think of all the stuff we can make now. Can you guess what we're making? Hint, we're gonna need a lot of colors. It's our very own Doughy.